Hello, my friends. How are you today? Good. My friends, you're gonna saw many pictures, many art created with food. Okay? Now, you're gonna look in your book on page 48 and you're gonna have to choose the art that you like it the most. Okay? If you like the monkey, tick the monkey. If you like the magic cube, tick the magic cube. And then on page 49, you have to use your imagination and create your own art with food. You can create a horse with sausage. You can create, let me see, a butterfly with what? With bread. Okay? Use your imagination. And I want to see next class. Okie dokie. Bye bye, my friends.